How to use digital well-being and parental control feature in your Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel where you get a lot of fixing problems and how-to tutorials. Now guys, see in this video I'm going to be showing you that how you can use this feature properly. In most cases we use Android device and there are a lot of features that we don't use in our daily life, but guys, there are many features which is available in our Android phone which help us to manage our time, which help us from distracting notifications and all, which will allow us to manage, customize our mobile completely. Now guys, see in this video, as I've already mentioned, that I'm going to be showing you that how you can use digital well-being parental control properly in your Android device. Now guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's go to the tutorial. Just go to your mobile settings and then come down, and as you can see here, before the language and region there is an option digital well-being and parental control. If you are not getting this option on your device, then I suggest you to come to settings and then click on the search bar well-being digital well-being and parental controls. Here you will get the suggestion, just click over it and then you will get this option here. Now guys, see, this is one of the best feature in Android phone that can help us to see the statics, that how many notifications we are receiving and how many hours we are spending in a particular application. As you can see here, in my Access mobile app I'm using this much of time, in my WhatsApp I'm using this much of time. So as you can see, compared to other applications, I'm using much more time on Facebook, as you can see. Now guys, you can see the complete dashboard of it. Just click on the dashboard, and when you click on the dashboard, here you will get the statics. As you can see, today you have spent 2 hours 41 minutes on your mobile, as you can see. Now as you can see, you can see Facebook you have used 1 hour I have used, and YouTube 27 minutes, YT Studio 26 minutes, WhatsApp and Access Mobile 8 minutes, Setting 4 minutes, Photo 3 minutes. As you can see, you can completely monitor that how many hours, how many time you are using your application. You can set completely, you can see complete details. And if you click on the screen time notification received, if you click on the notification received, then as you can see, today you have received 198 notification, and you can see particularly that you have received 61 notification on Gmail, and then 51 notification in WhatsApp, and 26 notification on YouTube, 15 notification on Messenger. As you can see wise by wise. Now let's go back, and then here I'll show you another thing. If you click on the bedtime mode, then if you select do not disturb and turn it on, then as you can see, you can schedule it. As you can see, if you are going to sleep on 11 p.m, then set the time 11 p.m and then end at 7 a.m. So in this hour you have selected, you are not going to receive any kind of notification. Okay, so this is one of the best feature that I have already told you, that nothing will disturb you and you can sleep properly. Okay, but right now I'm not gonna do this, so I'll go back, and then here let's go to focus mode. Focus mode is one of my favorite. Focus mode is my favorite. Now focus mode helps you when you need time to focus. You can pause distracting apps and hide their notification. Suppose like if you are working on your computer or if you are studying, and then a lot of notifications that is distracting, and the notifications are distracting you and you are not able to focus on your other work, then in that case what you can do is select the application which is distracting you. Select the application, suppose Facebook or YouTube, like most of the time Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. So these notifications really distract us to focus on other thing. So in that case, just select it and then click on the schedule. Okay, now you can select the time, at what time. If you are going to study 10 to 12, then you can select 10 to 12 time, select 10 and then end time 12, or you can set up your preferable time, and then you can select in which day, in which particular day you are going to set this time. And then right after setting, just you have to click here, just set it up, and right after setting it, you have to turn it on. As you can see, turn on, it is turned on. As you can see, now as you can see, focus mode is on. So this is it. Now if you want to delete, just click on the delete button, and this is turn off. So as you can see, now guys, we have another option, manage notification. Okay, manage notification in one of the feature which is already available in the app management. So you can just go to app management, and there you can do this. So you don't have to go here. This is a basic thing that you just have to turn off and turn on your notification. If you click on the do not disturb option, then enable automatically days start time. This is the same thing that if you want to use do not disturb mode, then enable automatically, and then days, you can select the day in which days you don't want to receive the notification, whether it is of call or messages. As you can see, if you click allow calls from anyone, start contacts only from contacts, from anyone, disallow all. So this is a very good option, and ring for repeated calls. Okay, as you can see, a second call from the same number with 3 minutes will not be silenced. Okay, so these are the options that you can use. And parental control, we have the parental control. If you are giving your phone to your children and you want to have completely control over their phone and you want to monitor their phone, then you can use this. Just click on the get start, and who will be using this device, children or teen or parent. Okay, so you can use this for monitoring your children or your girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use digital well-being tools. So as I have already told you, you can join beta version, you can manage your data, daily device usage, include info about the device, unlocks, notification received, app and usage. And there are other options available, terms of services, privacy policy, those are not important as well. Now let's go. So guys, this is it. This is how you can use digital well-being and parental control option. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.